Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Askani Group of Companies. Today I bring Sequence Embroidery Collection Khubusrat Volume 4 by Arhmn Textile. Descriptions are: front, luxury digital heavy sequence embroidery shirt with black sequence. Back, luxury digital back. Sleeves, luxury digital sleeves print. Trouser, dyed finest quality lawn trouser. Luxury dupatta, lawn, very special and finest quality 100% pure lawn. Now it is on offer, 10% discount. You can place your order through our social media links. Links are in description box. You can order us through our website www.askanigroupofcompanies.com. For more interesting updates, follow our social media links. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.